Hello everyone, this is Amrit Kaur. You are welcome on my YouTube channel Hatha Enlightenment Yoga. Today I am taking up the issue of tinnitus or tinnitus as we call it. Tinnitus is a undescribed, unexplained sound which some people feel in both of their ears or in one of their ears. This sound starts coming to them suddenly without any reason. So this sound may be like a fast wind blowing, or it may be like a fast, very high tension current passing through your or near your ear. It may be a hissing sound. It may be the sound of a storm or tinkling sound or any type of sound. And because this appears suddenly and it is always there, going on and on and on. So the person who is having it may be annoyed by it, may get irritated by it, and loses its focus on his day-to-day activities. The person may even feel some depression, and because there is no medical treatment for this, the only treatment that we can do is ourselves. First of all, let us know the reasons of this, because there are many reasons of this sound and there is no defined reason. So I will just enumerate a few reasons. One of those may be when some people have lot of tonsils again and again and they get their tonsils removed. Because of that, your eustachian tube, which connects your throat to your ear, it remains always open, and all the sounds of inside machinery, body machinery, they go into your inner ear, and there is always a sound. Then another reason is when your sinusoids here, the spaces here, they are always filled with mucus. So that changes the pitch and the intensity of the sound. The another reason is when your wisdom tooth is not taken out, it puts pressure. It is always putting pressure on the spots here which are connected to the inner ear, and then that produces a sound. Then there is another reason which is very important, and for that we need to know that our inner ear has a mechanism where there are hair cells in the cochlea of the ear. Those hair cells are responsible for converting the sound signals into electrical signals, which are then fed to the auditory nerve, which feeds those to the brain, and then brain converts them into the logical sounds which we hear. When those hair cells, they get damaged in one form or other, or when their frequency is altered by any reason, by you can say accident, or by some surgery, or by the use of some drugs, or by any imbalance in the energy around your ear, so they start converting the signals into their own, by their own frequencies. The signals which we are hearing are not the same which we getting from outside. So sometimes they are just producing the signals of their own. So I will be making a few videos of this, because in one video we cannot take up all these reasons. Today I will be taking up the reason of your wisdom tooth and your eustachian tube if it remains open. So for that, what you do is you just find a place here behind your ear. There is a point which is just where your ear is joined to your face on the just at the back. There is a depression. This is the point. So if you push this point gently, then if this is the reason of your sound, tinnitus sound, then it will give you pain in that ear in which you are having tinnitus. So if that is the reason, just give it like for 10 seconds like this, and then anti-clockwise like this, and like beautiful, like that. Now coming to the TMJ point. TMJ point is here where your skull is joined to your lower part of your jaws. This point, it is against this small part of that. When you open your mouth, then you will have a depression here, like this is like. So here there are 3 steps. We will push this point a little gently inside, open your mouth and take a deep breath, like just do it 10 times. Next one is again to address your wisdom tooth and your eustachian tube problem. These are only today for that only. The next one is you put your fingers inside the holes of your ears and push them gently inside and open your mouth and take a deep breath. Stay for 3 seconds. Again. That's it. Just do it 10 times. Now coming to your sinuses. So on these points, on your cheekbones, if you are having your tinnitus because of your sinuses, then when you push them here, then you will be having pain, some pain or uneasiness. If that is the case, then with the heels of your hands, we go to these points and then we massage those just for 10 seconds. 10 seconds in one direction, 10 seconds in another direction. That's it. So these are for your eustachian tube and for your wisdom tooth